got our chickens cut up. Next step is to season them. We're gonna throw them all in here. I'm gonna hit it with some Italian seasoning. How much is that? Good guess. I'd say maybe a quarter cup, 4 to 5 tablespoons. A couple handfuls of garlic, salt. 1, 2. We'll put 4 pinches in. 3, 4. 1 for each half. Chicken. 1, 2 things of pepper. Swallow. There you go. You want to mix all that up? Put the breast always on the outside of the pan. The wings toward the middle.
Why do you put the thighs or the breast on the outside?
Because they're the thickest and this part stays the hottest. I think. It's gonna taste good?
Yes.
A lot of garlic?
More garlic, better.
I'm with ya. All right, how about putting it in the oven? You think you got that?
Yeah.
Let's see that. So you got the oven at 350 convection. Chicken. And I'm gonna attempt this just to see where we are. Pretty close, right? 150. 77, 187. 190s. Hot in there. Check the thighs. 166, right? Right where we want it. Yeah. All right, so our chicken's done. We've got all of our mix-ins, our fix-ins, our good stuff. It's gonna go with it. And we have our killer camp chef. What is this called? It's a Dutch oven. It's kind of like it, yeah. Nice big Dutch oven. We're going to use this to cook and present. So that when we're done, we can just carry this thing out to the table. People can dig in. Sound like a plan? Stan? Or
Stan.
Is your name Kyler? Or?
Yeah, Stan works too.
Stan?
Keep it Paleo!